Papa, you ready to go to Disney World? Say yes. You ready? You still tired?
Hello, Daddy. Hey, darling. What's my on the phone? Yeah, bye, Rich. Yeah, look, I ain't never coming home no more. Take it easy.
Daddy. You ready to go to Disney World?
Ready.
Papa. You ready for Disney, Papa?
Yeah, straight, bro. Good luck.
Ready, Daddy?
Ready.
All right, come on. Oh, Papa, do you know where you are? No. Good morning, guys. So we're at the airport and we're waiting for them to open the counter because it's, what time is it? 3 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, person is so excited. It's like he knows that he's going somewhere, but he's not really sure where he's going. So yeah, are you excited?
Real excited. First time, man.
This is so weird with this stick. I'm gonna have to figure out how like I'm working this. How about you, Pressy? You excited, Press? Press. Pressy. I think he's just tired. He's exhausted. We were so afraid that our luggage was going to be over, but it's not. They were like, both of them were like 38 and 39 pounds. We were so afraid because we like packed them to the max, but it's all good. Say cheese. Ooh, bless you. Oh, that's fake. That was fake, Papa. That wasn't a real sneeze. Can I see your shirt? Can I see your shirt? Ooh, what's that say? It's lit. Can you say it's lit, Papa? Papa say it's lit. It's lit. Okay, Papa, I see you. I see you, baby. I see you, baby. Like, how did he just climb out his stroller? How? I asked his barber to put Mickey Mouse ears in the back of his head. Looks like a bear a little bit, but he did a great job. Okay, Papa. He wants to put it on. Oh, you so cute, Papa. Oh, you so cute. Babe, how do you feel about our first family vacation?
I feel happy, man. I feel good. It'll be a good time. It's first time at Disney, my first time at Disney. Happy to be sharing that with y'all.
That's a beautiful thing. I haven't been back to Disney since senior trip, so it'll be fun going as a mom.
Lit.
Oh yeah, thank you, Tootie. It's lit.
Yeah, you did.
It's lit. So we have boarded the plane, and right now we're just waiting for takeoff. Hopefully Preston goes to sleep. We're about to get him situated. He has his milk. and his snacks. So we're about to get him situated, and hopefully he can get some rest because he was up to about 10 o'clock last night, and then he was up at like 1:30 this morning, 2 o'clock in the morning. Hopefully you guys can hear me because this man's talking on the speaker. So yeah, and we will see you guys once we land. So guys, we just got to our hotel, and as you can see, Preston is having a ball. He is like in his element. He's so excited, and you know what's crazy? He thinks this is the fun part. Like when he gets to the park, he's going to go crazy. Like it's going to be insane. I'm so excited. I feel like I'm the kid. So yes, we have arrived. We are finally at our hotel. Our room is not ready yet, so we're going to go to the park, and then they're going to text us when our room is ready, and then we'll just come back here. And I have something like really cute planned for tonight for Chevelle and for the baby because it's both of their first time here. So I'm super excited to like surprise them and just show them different things and stuff like that, because you know, I feel like when it's your first time at Disney, you don't do as much because you don't really know like what to do and what not to do. So yep, we're here and it's time to get lit. Wow, look.
He's busy trying to catch it. You can turn it on and off.
We just got done with the Incredibles dance party. Got some snacks, got Tootie some toys, and now we're just sitting here having a little snack, a little drinky drink. We had a Mickey pretzel, but it's pretty much demolished, or I would have showed you guys. And yeah, so we got a meal plan with ours, and it includes alcoholic beverages. I think it's like 2 per day or like 1 per day or something. And it also includes meals like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So it's really worth it. I think maybe if you guys want me to, if you guys are bringing your kids to Disney, I'll post my Disney itinerary. Yeah, but guys, a lot of people have been saying like, oh, he's not gonna remember. I'll wait till you're done crying. A lot of people say like, oh, they're too young, they're not gonna remember it, blah, 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 blah. But guys, like, when I tell you the happiness that is like on his face, it's so worth it. I'm so glad that I wasn't one of those, oh, wait till he's 50 to take him to Disney World. Like, no. It's sometimes it's just about the moment, like him having fun in the moment. And I'm making this video, so he's gonna see it for the rest of his life. And I'll just bring him back when he's older. What you think, babe? Are you glad we brought him at this age?
Yeah, man. It's about the moment. We having fun, so that's what matters.
Way to copy off of me.
I was already thinking that because I was under the assumption we should wait too, but seeing how I said I was under the assumption that we should wait too at first, but we having fun, so it's all good.
Then I put you on to the real, huh? 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 Right, Tootie? Huh? Huh?
I think we should get lunch before the show or after.
You hungry?
Not really, but I'm saying. I think we should grab lunch after that 11:50 show.
So we're just waking up. We came back to our room and we were knocked out for like, how long were we sleeping?
3 hours.
Yeah, we were like rocked. So you wanna do it? 1, 2?
2, 1, 2.
1, 2, 3. He's in love with the bubbles, yo. He loves them. Ooh, not in your mouth. We gotta hit the pull up tomorrow. Guys, there's frogs everywhere. Chevelle's so annoyed because I'm scared.
We restore order with imagination. We instill hope again and again and again.
To transport audiences with the words, a long time ago, in a galaxy far, far away.
Congratulations. This isn't the fire yet, isn't it? I'm back.
So we just finished the fireworks. Today was a great day. We had so much fun. And he wasn't scared of the fireworks. I thought he would be scared, but he wasn't. My boy. Yeah. So what we about to do now, babe?
Just some dinner.
Dinner. What you want to eat?
Steak and potatoes.
Oh my. Fancy, fancy. Did you like the show?
Yeah, it was nice. I like stuff like that.
You out. You out late at night, past your bedtime. Just getting some little midnight snacks really quick. Should I was somewhere around here getting like an actual meal. Papa, you okay? You okay? Sit, sit. You got lollipops? Oh, you had to get a whole pack though. Why you gotta pick the ones that's a whole entire pack of lollipops? Couldn't just get one? And Daddy was not playing. He really got steak and potatoes. So we're back in our room. Preston just got ready for bed. Right, Presty?
Yeah.
Right, oh! Right, Presty, Presty?
No.
You got your Disney pajamas?
No.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Say night-night. Woo! Papa, you had a good day? You living your best life? I like your pajamas. Alright, guys, so we're about to just take it down. Presty got his nighttime PJs on. Alright. Yeah, Dada.
It's a great day. See you tomorrow.